Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Max. How are you today?
Hi, Isabel. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I wanted to talk with you about the extracurricular classes we joined at school. I have been attending a few different classes lately, and I find them very interesting. What classes have you been taking?
I have joined a drawing class and a beginner dance class. I always wanted to try drawing and learn some dance moves. It has been a new experience for me. How about you?
I've been attending a singing class and an art class. I love music and drawing, so I thought these classes would be fun. They are very different from my regular schoolwork, but I learn a lot.
That sounds exciting. In my drawing class, the teacher shows us how to sketch simple objects and landscapes. I have learned to use pencils and colors. Sometimes I feel nervous when I draw, but my teacher is very patient.
I understand how you feel. In my art class, we paint with watercolors. At first, I was not sure how to mix the colors, but with practice, I now make nice paintings. I really enjoy the creative part of it.
Yes, creativity is important. I also like the dance class because it is very active. We learn simple dance steps and move to fun music. It is a good way to exercise, and it makes me happy when I dance.
Dancing is very joyful. I sometimes watch dance videos at home to practice more. My singing class is similar. I was a bit shy at first, but now I feel more confident. I learn how to control my voice and sing clearly.
That's great, Isabel. I think these classes help us in many ways. They teach us new skills and give us a chance to meet other students who have the same interests. Do you talk with your classmates outside of class?
Yes, I do. I often chat with my singing classmates about our favorite songs and the techniques we learn. We sometimes practice together after school. It is a very friendly and supportive group.
I feel the same in my drawing class. We sometimes share our sketches and give each other tips on how to improve. Even in the dance class, we practice in small groups and encourage one another. It makes the learning process much more fun.
Exactly. I believe that joining extracurricular classes is a great way to grow. Not only do we learn new skills, but we also learn to be more confident and creative.
I agree. For example, before I started the drawing class, I never thought I could draw well. Now, even though I am still a beginner, I feel proud of my progress. I even show my sketches to my family, and they are happy to see my improvement.
That is wonderful, Max. I feel the same about singing. At first, I was very nervous to sing in front of others. But now, after many classes and practice sessions, I can sing a simple song without feeling too shy. It has really boosted my confidence.
It seems that trying new things helps us see our potential. Even if we face challenges, we learn to overcome them step by step. What is the most challenging part of your singing class, Isabel?
For me, the most challenging part is controlling my breath and hitting the right notes. I sometimes have to practice for a long time to get it right, but my teacher gives me good advice, and I keep practicing. How about your drawing class?
In drawing, my biggest challenge is getting the proportions right. Sometimes my sketches look a bit strange. But with feedback from my teacher and friends, I learn to improve. I also practice by copying simple pictures from books.
That is a good method. I also think that every mistake is a lesson. Even if my singing is not perfect, I learn what I need to work on next time.
I agree. I have learned that progress takes time. I enjoy each class because every lesson gives me a new idea or a new way to express myself.
Yes, and the fun part is that these classes are not part of our regular schoolwork, so we feel free to express ourselves without pressure. They are like a break from the usual routine.
Absolutely. I look forward to my drawing and dance classes because they let me relax and be creative. I often feel happy after a dance session, even if I make mistakes.
I feel the same about singing. Even if I sometimes sing out of tune, the class is a safe space to practice and learn. It also helps me reduce stress.
Besides learning skills, do you think these classes have helped you make new friends?
Yes, definitely. I have met many interesting people in the singing class. We share our favorite songs and even discuss music videos. It is fun to connect with others over music.
I have made new friends in my drawing class as well. We sometimes go to art exhibitions together or visit a museum. These outings help us see real art and inspire our own work.
That is wonderful. I would love to go to an art exhibition with friends from the art class. It would be a great chance to learn more about different styles.
I agree. I believe that extracurricular activities not only teach us skills, but also build a community. They help us learn teamwork, share ideas, and support each other.
Exactly, Max. I feel more confident and happy because of these classes. They remind me that learning can be fun and that it is okay to try new things.
I also think that these experiences help us in our future careers. For example, creativity is important in many jobs, and confidence in public speaking can be useful in many areas.
True. I plan to use the skills I learn from singing and art in my future work. Even if I become a teacher, I can use these creative skills to make my classes more interesting.
And I think my drawing and dance skills will help me in design-related work. It shows that I can think outside the box.
I am glad we took these classes, Max. They have given us many new experiences and have made our school life more colorful.
I agree, Isabel. I look forward to more classes and activities. Every lesson, every practice session, and every performance builds our skills and helps us grow as people.
Let's keep in touch and share our progress. I would love to know how your next dance class goes, and I can tell you about my singing practice too.
That sounds great. We can meet after class or even practice together sometimes. I think that would be fun and helpful.
I would like that very much, Max. Working together and sharing our experiences makes learning even more enjoyable.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Isabel. It always feels good to share and hear your thoughts on our classes.
Thank you, Max. I enjoyed our talk. I feel inspired and more confident about trying new things. I look forward to our next class and to sharing more experiences with you.
Me too, Isabel. Have a great day and enjoy your singing practice. I'm excited to see what you learn next.
You too, Max. Enjoy your drawing and dance classes. Let's talk again soon.
Absolutely. Goodbye, Isabel.
Goodbye, Max.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.